In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the story comment option is not showing on Instagram. First, open Instagram and check a few different stories. If the comment option appears on some stories but not others, that means the creator has turned off comments for their story. In that case, there is nothing you can do. However, if the comment option is missing on all stories, then it is likely a feature rollout issue or an app-related problem. To fix it, first go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Install any available updates. Next, restart the app and check again. If the issue continues, you can try clearing the app cache. On some devices, you can also reinstall Instagram to refresh the app completely. After reinstalling, log back in and check your stories again. If it still doesn't appear, then the feature may not yet be available on your account, since Instagram often rolls out features gradually. In that case, you will need to wait until Instagram enables it for your account. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Instagram story comment not showing issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.